everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Monica, and in this video we are going to discuss about conditional formatting. So first question arises, what is the conditional formatting? So basically it is a way to highlight cell based on a specific condition. Okay? Or you can think it like a filter, but instead of hiding data, it highlight the important stuff. You can use conditional formatting to highlight cell based on values, formula, or even formatting. Okay? It's incredibly powerful and flexible. So without wasting time, let's start with the basic. Okay. Highlight cell rules allow you to highlight the cell based on the values, formula or formatting. For example, let's say we want to highlight the cell okay, that contains the word sing. First we have to select the column where we want to filter the data or highlight the important stuff. Okay. Then choose this one, highlight cell rules, because we are highlighting the cells right now. And what we want to highlight? We want to highlight the text. Okay. What text? Sing. I want to highlight the sing text. Okay. Which I want it green color with filled with dark green text. So this is the result in front of you. Okay. Are you getting my point? What I am trying to say you all? Okay. Now suppose we want to highlight these three cells based on the conditions. Okay. Greater than. First we want to highlight all the cells which is greater than the 90, which contains the value greater than the 90. Here the result in front of you. Okay. This. Okay. 96, 96, 96, 98, 99, 90. These all values are greater than 90. So it's highlighted with green color box. Okay. Now again I want to highlight all the cells which is less than 50. But I want to highlight it with green colors. Okay. So here the result front of you. As you can see the 6, 5. These all values are smaller than 50. Okay. Now just remove clear all the filters. Stick it. Now bold the letters so it is easily visible to you all. Okay. This is the conditional formatting. Now the between. If we want to highlight the values between 50 to 70. Okay. I mean 70. But I want to fill it with yellow color. Here the result in front of you. All the value are highlights. All the cells are highlights. Okay. Which contains the values between the 50 to 70. This is the conditional formatting. As you can see, it is so easy. Okay, just select the cell you want to format. Go to Home tab. This is your Home tab. Go to Home tab. Select the conditional formatting. And if you want to highlight the cell rule, this is greater than, less than, between or equal to. Okay. Text. As I show you, the same text highlighted over here. So that's it today video. Next video we are going to discuss about top and bottom rules about conditional highlighting. Thank you.